Arambol Beach, considered to be one of the most spectacular and amazing beach in Goa. This beach has a distinct bohemian feel to it. That's why a lot of people from different countries they prefer to visit here. The sand of the beach, people believe have a healing properties. And once you kind of walk from the beach on the Arambol Beach, you can reach up to the Kalacha Beach, and adjacent to the Kalacha Beach, there is a sweetwater lake that lead towards the deep and dense forest of Arambol. You can always take a bath in the sweetwater lake, and there is also a small, eating joint there which can offer you delicious snacks and drinks. Arambol Beach and the Kalacha Beach is very close together. You can spend your quality time there. There are sitting arrangements in the Kalacha Beach where you can take a sun bath with amazing food on your table. We were quite late, last day we reached from south to north. It was almost midnight when we reached. And the location of Arambol is in the extreme north of Goa. We crossed the entire Goa last night and we were exhausted. We had an amazing sleep. And once we were in Kalacha Beach, we decided to hike through the dense forest of Arambol up to the mountain where we saw some amazing, beautiful scenic views. It was quite a thick forest we had to cross. You can see there are a lot of streams and beautiful, beautiful, flowers and mushrooms. Everything you can find, once you kind of go uphill from the Sweetwater Lake towards the plateau. And the entire walk was very thrilling for all of us because me and my friend were discussing about our stories and what should we do next. And a lot of sweet moments that we spent together through the walk that I can still remember. And regarding the walk, I must say that if you are planning to go for this kind of hike, I must say that you start early. Although in the afternoon it was little warm, once you kind of hike, it's always a warm feeling. The sun was up, and we had a kind of amazing time, walking uphill towards the plateau. Once we reached the plateau, we saw some spectacular moments, as I told you earlier, and the most important part that I met some amazing people over there. There were a few locals. They were singing and dancing. They were very happy. At the same time, I met few travel professional. It was a surprising factor. So overall, it was an amazing moment we spent. We took some rest also once we hiked up, and it was very, very refreshing. Once we came down, approximately 2.5 to 3 kilometers, there is a beautiful water body was waiting for me, and where I took a dip to refresh. And overall, I must say it was an amazing, amazing journey which I will remember for a long, long time. Once we are close to the top of the hill, we could feel the vibes from Mother Nature. The healing power of Mother Nature can do wonders once you go out and hike. I was exploring the place intensively, playing with the drone, and was having some fun with the amazing locals over there. When the flora was touching my skin, knowingly or unknowingly, I was feeling myself much better. You know, that feeling is something which will stay with me for a long, long time.
You must be wondering why I'm here, and mostly people come here for relaxation and leisure kind of activities and leisure trips, to be precise. But this kind of places offers a lot of peace and tranquility, which is very important, in our stressful life. Well, it was quite an expedition, and if I may call it an expedition, it's basically a walk from the beautiful beach of Arambol uphill, and once you hike up for approximately 2.5 to 3 kilometers, you reach this beautiful plateau. And I request to all of you that please do visit this place, and because this is something which is a little different. If you come to Goa, I know you guys generally expect a lot of activities on the seaside, but this is something different. I mean, for adventure seekers, you can come with your family, friends, everybody, and it's a beautiful place. There are fountain here where I can take a bath, and it's quite a place, I must say. So this is the place I will take a bath here right now. So enjoy. Oh well. Oh, what a relaxing place is this, in the heart of nature, and maybe you can imagine yourself taking a bath in the deep sea, in the sea beach of Arambol, or you can go high up for hiking. And once you come here, you can find, well, this kind of water bodies where you can come with your family, friends, everybody, and take a dip. The water is absolutely perfect in temperature. It's mild, and it's a beautiful feeling after all, taking a hike for 3 to 4 kilometers probably. So I hope you'll like my videos in future, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. There is a frog, as he said. It's quite an interesting feeling, and once you go for a hike like this, it's a must here.
This is a rug basically. They use it for the skin.
Oh.
It's very good. You get a good glow.
So can you show me the rock from where you got it? Yeah, this is the rock, right?
This is the rock.
Wow. It's a natural.
This is a natural one, and it melt like if you scrub it, it dissolves in liquid formation.
Oh, wow.
Like paste of it. So you have to apply like this, then make it dry. Name? My name is Vinay.
Vinay.
Yes.
It was nice to meet you, Vinay, and
Thank you so much.
thank you for your explanation.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sure you have enjoyed the scenic views from the mountain of Goa. It's an unknown area, I know, and I can see a lot of people are watching, but you guys are not subscribing. So I request to all of you, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep coming with this amazing special places of our country.